Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to review this folding wireless charger. And this is an awesome product, wireless charger for both your phone and your wireless charging earbuds. So let's get it out of the package so you can see exactly what it is and how it works. You do get a charging cord with it. And it is a Type-C, works with a Type-C charging cord. Now it does not come with a charger, so you'll want to use your own charger. To get the fastest charging, you'll want to plug it into a Quick Charge 3.0 charger. Plug it into a Quick Charge 3.0 charger, you're going to get fast wireless charging on your Samsung Galaxy device and fast charging on your iPhone. And you can see the little diagram here. It's got a place back here for charging earbuds. So this is it. You can see it folds flat and lift it up. You see you got different levels. You can stop it at different levels. If you put it up all the way, you're going to get that kind of angle there. And you can see there's a little LED indicator there, which is cool, little LED indicator. And that's where your phone goes. You've got a rubber tray here. You can see that rubber there so that your phone won't slide out, which is great. And then over here on the back, you've got wireless charging for your earbuds. Now these will work for Airpods. These will also work for Samsung Galaxy Buds. Basically any earbuds that support quick key charging. So you've got those there. Look on the bottom here. You can see you've got these air vents here to make sure that this thing doesn't overheat. And you've got nice rubber feet here to make sure that this stays put and doesn't slide around. So now let's check out some video of this in action so you can see that it works on iPhone or Galaxy and works for AirPods or Samsung Galaxy Earbuds or any key charging phone or key charging earbuds. So before I show you this charging with Galaxy products, I wanted to show that it will also charge the iPhone. Because it will charge any phone that's equipped with key wireless charging. So you can see it is charging my, this is iPhone 11, but it'll charge any of the iPhones 11, 12, 13 that support the key wireless charging. Also the earbuds back here, and you can see, there's some on there, they're all charged up so the light shuts off really fast, but you can see that they do charge, as well as again any earbuds that are equipped with key wireless charging. You'll be able to sit on there and get a charge, so you can charge both your iPhone and your earbuds all at the same time. So you can see on my Samsung Galaxy S20, I'm getting fast wireless charging on this, and that's because it is being powered by Quick Charge 3.0 charger, and that will get you fast wireless charging on any device that supports it. You can also see there's a really tiny faint blue LED light on the front there. It's not too bright, won't disturb you at night. It's really tiny, so enough to be able to see the indicator without it blinding you at night, which is great. And you can see my Galaxy Buds Plus are wireless charging on that key wireless charger on the back there. And that'll charge AirPods or Galaxy Buds or any other earbuds that are equipped with wireless charging capabilities, key wireless charging. So really awesome foldable stand. Looks really good, foldable, so easily portable to take it wherever you want to take it. You can charge your Galaxy devices, your Galaxy Buds, your AirPods, your iPhone. Really great device because it will work with anything that you want to charge on it that's equipped with key charging, and easy to take with you because it's foldable, but also great to use just at home because you can charge two devices at once. So really excellent product. If you're looking for something like this, I would highly recommend this. It is great. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. I have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon, so you can check it out over there. Pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, and all that other great stuff. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.